In this video, we will go over CCC Apply, which is application for admission for first-time students. Please have these items before applying. 1, a valid email address. 2, parent military information if applicable. 3, citizenship/residency information. For U.S. citizens, it would be your full social security number. For permanent residents, it is your alien registration number and the issue date and expiration date. For DREAM/undocumented students, social security number, taxpayer identification number, DREAM Act ID, or submit without social security number or taxpayer identification number. For refugee, asylee, temporary residents, and amnesty, alien registration number and issue date and expiration date. For student visa, your student type and issue date and expiration date are needed. Next, we will navigate to the Hancock website and click on Apply to Hancock. First-time student, scroll down until you see Apply for Admission. Once you have successfully created an account, click on Start New Application to begin your application for admissions. Select the term that you are applying for. Select your own personal educational goal and select your intended major. Click on Continue to move on to the next page. Verify that your current mailing address is correct. For first-time college students after leaving high school, select first-time student in college after leaving high school. Make sure to answer these questions as the date that it appears. Select a state and begin typing in the last school that you attended. Select the highest grade level you completed in high school. Refer to your high school transcript for information. In-progress grades or grade estimates cannot be included here. This information will be used for admissions and state reporting purposes. Your responses will be kept private and secure and will not be used for discriminatory purposes. For permanent resident, temporary resident, amnesty, refugee, asylee, or visa holders, please have the following information ready: alien registration number or visa type, issue date and expiration date. For undocumented students, select Other and check the box for No documents. Are you a veteran or child of a veteran? Make sure to answer these questions as the date appears. If you have not been in court-ordered foster care, select No. Answer these questions as they pertain to you. The main language may default to yes. Select the appropriate answer. If you have IEP or 504 in high school, you can select DSPS to receive information. For students under 18 years old, you will be asked your gender. For students 18 years old and older, will be asked gender and sexual orientation. Select the option you best identify with, or you can select Decline to State. Click on the blue question mark for more information. For the two parents, other family members, and/or guardians who, in your belief, played the largest roles in raising you, please indicate the highest level of education you believe each attained. If you do not know a parent's or a guardian's highest level of education, please select Unknown. If you were raised by just one parent or guardian, select No parent or guardian raised me for the second question. If you were not raised by parents or guardians, select No parent or guardian raised me for the first question and the second question. Click on Review My Application to review your information before submitting. Please note, no changes can be made to your application once it is submitted. Read the Request for Consent to Release Information carefully. For more information, click on the blue question mark. Read the statements thoroughly and click the check marks to electronically sign the application. Click on Submit My Application button. Note, once you click this button, you cannot edit your application. After you have submitted your application, you will see a confirmation page with a confirmation number confirming your application for admissions has been submitted. Make sure to write this down and save it in a safe place. You will receive an email from OpenCCC confirming that your account has been created. You will receive an email from Allan Hancock College stating that your application has been received. If you have submitted your application with a Social Security number, you will receive an email with your student ID number within 24 to 48 hours. Please save this number for your records. If you submitted the application without a Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, you will receive an email with a link and information on how to process your application to receive your My Hancock ID number. If you submitted your application without a Social Security number, but you have one and would like to edit your account, please contact the Allan Hancock College Admissions and Records Office.